So how does gifts on Instagram work? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video we are going to discuss what is the new gift feature on Instagram and how does it actually and really work. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now think of the Instagram gift like the gifts on TikTok. So let's say that you have a TikTok account and that you are a creator, you receive gifts from many people, and that is exactly what Instagram is also trying to apply into their platform. They're trying to enable the monetization service for creators who post on Instagram Reels, so that creators of Instagram Reels can also actually earn some money via their monetization platform as well. So this feature is actually just a beta feature so far, so it has simply not officially released it yet, but I will simply show you how you can actually still use this once you get the feature. So let's say that your monetization has been approved on your Instagram account and you're eligible for all of these gifts feature. In that case, you have to go ahead and open up the Instagram application first and then tap on the plus icon and go about creating your reel as you would normally do. So go to the reel section and then simply go ahead and then choose a specific video for your Instagram Reels. Once you choose the video for your Instagram Reels, tap on the add button on the plus right, make sure that you've made everything correct, and then tap on the next option again, and then again you want to tap on the next button from the bottom right. And once you've enabled the reel option over here, you'll find a new option over here that says allow gift for this reel, which means that people who view this reel will be able to contribute to you via gifts. There will be different types of gift options such as it is right now on TikTok, but currently you can say it is not available because it's simply not showing even if I go to the advanced settings over here. But bear in mind that as soon as you get the feature, I'm going to update you about it, so you simply want to make sure to subscribe as well as also turn on the bell notifications. Hope this video cleared the confusion as to how the gift thing really works on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.